How's it going? First of all, I want to thank you for coming by my page and giving me a few minutes of your time. My name is Newton Robinson. I shouldn't take up too much of your time. The information I'm going to share with you is pretty straightforward. It can put you in the position to do one of two things or both. It can either help you save money on your bills, or it can help you make additional money to pay your bills. I'm not going to go too much into detail about the different services we have. At the end of the video, there will be a link to a website. If you want more information, you can always look at that, or you can give me a phone call and we can talk more into detail about that. But one of the great products we offer through our many lines of products is Voice over IP communications. That's basically the ability to be able to talk to someone using your already existing internet line, and now the distance between callers no longer determines how much you're going to pay for your bill. And the other thing we can offer you is a position in our company as an IR, independent rep. And what the independent rep does, it allows you to make residual income. Now you may ask, what's residual income? It's the ability to be able to sell something one time and get recurring income streams for the life of that account. Now, pretty much everyone in America who's wealthy has some kind of recurring income coming in. They did something one time and they continuously keep getting paid for it. And that's the position that we're being put in by our company, 5 Links, to be able to sell different services, cell phones, wireless alarm systems, voice over IP, video telephones. It's one of our products we have. And you get recurring income streams for those lines you have open continuously. And that's really great to have in this changing market we have, the changing world. We're going into a recession, and you need to have some kind of additional income coming in, and getting paid while you're eating, sleeping, watching television. It doesn't get any better than that, basically. I mean, there's nothing that can beat that. Getting paid for something you did one time and continuously getting paid for it. And as I said, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time, but if you think you might be interested in getting some more information, please feel free to give me a call, or you can visit the website and click the What We Do link, and it will give you all the other information you may need in detail about what we have to offer, different services and things of that nature. And once again, my name is Newton Robinson. I want to thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day, and you have a great one. Now, what I would like to do real fast is give you a quick demonstration of one of our products, the video phone, and let you get a few words.
Listen, you guys. Very important to understand what's going on right now. This technology is advancing and moving right now. What you're looking at right now, this video phone technology, offered exclusively through 5links.com. You guys, you have to understand something. You need to get in contact with the gentleman that's listed on this page right now. Okay? Right now, Newman is in a position where he can help you lead yourself into a position of financial freedom. Call this gentleman right now or go to his website directly, links to links.com. That's LINX, the number 2, LINX.com. I can tell you this much, you guys. This is how you get on the road to financial freedom. Don't wait, don't hesitate. You got to make that move right now. Go to his website right now. Find out how this technology is making me and over 2 dozen of my friends, you guys, well over $25,000 per month on a regular basis, you guys. Your time is now. It's your chance. It's the last call. This opportunity is not going to last forever. You got to take advantage of it right now. Don't think about it, just do it. And trust me, your financial